Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in deep bronze metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4X, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifters in the center console as well as integrated trailer braking, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4X, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4X badging on the doors, blacked out mirrors with LEDs, 6.2-liter V8 plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, red GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4X badge in the grille as well. AEV front bumper is installed, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. And as we make our way around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, towing packages installed, AT4X, Sierra, and GMC badge all installed on GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4X, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and in the center console we have the controls for the heated leather seats as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.